Hey everybody, Eric here from Overland Explorer Vehicles. I just want to actually make a mention about the HBE, which you see sitting in front of me. We commonly get a question about the differences between the 6.75 and the 8-foot HBE. Really, inside they are completely identical. You wouldn't know the difference. They offer the exact same things. However, with a 6.75, what you see is the back has been taken out right here of the 8-footer. So the floor stops here and we can use it on our 6 3/4 tray. However, this is actually an 8-foot tray. And the reason we have this combination is because a lot of people want to have more storage. So our 8-foot tray that you see here has our front storage cabinets in it, which allow you to do a tire mount on one side if you'd like, or 2 of these storages for lots of gear. This particular one actually has a pull-out kitchen built in there, which you'll see in another video. It has also, you can have it open, of course. You can stick whatever the heck you want in there. When you look at this, the way it's laid out, they've got an awning bracket built in the outside. That comes right out of the box that way. You just buy the adapter to fit your according awning that you want to use. This is a storage cabinet. Access from outside and inside in this particular one. This is another storage cabinet, but this is all outside storage only. You can't really access that from the inside, so put accordingly what you need to get to in them. The door has the magnetic holder on it. Keep it open for you while you're at camp and doing your setup, right? When we come around this camper, you're going to see the back. Now we've got a ladder in process right now. We actually have 2 molly racks that are going on this unit. We're just waiting for them to come out. But this ladder is what gives you access to the roof. It is an option you pick. It does not come with it. But that, like I said, gives you option to get up on the roof if you had the roof racks, okay? What you're gonna see back here is another light. So you've got perimeter lighting around the back, so at nighttime you can see where you're going. And down here is the actual drain for the shower, which is actually in the middle of the table inside. So that's where you'll have your water outlet go. If we go around the other side, you're gonna see another one of those drains. It's actually where your sink comes out, so that you can get your gray water out, of course, on that side. When we come around on the driver's side, this is your hot water Truma, instant hot water, so it contains everything it has to do with your hot water system. It's where you winterize, it's where you can turn it off of comfort or eco mode, change up what's going on. This is your exhaust for your heater, which is the Truma Vario Heat. We've got a ground shore power plug right here, our locking water cap. Now, we've got shower mounts here on the outside of all of our units, and they come with the little adapter because it's just a small piece, but that allows you to put on any outside shower. So far, we've tried them on a handful of them, and we've had no problem. They've mounted up with everybody's stuff and work great. Moving along down here, we've got the Sigeev outside shower port, so you can do your shower, of course, or just wash off whatever. This is the drain for the sink, so you can run your gray water out. Another outdoor light down low again, so you're not blinding yourself when you're trying to walk around at nighttime, but ground light so you don't trip and kill yourself, especially if you've been in the wobbly pops. This is a 20-pound marine tank. So it has a gauge on it, allows you to see what you got going on for propane before you take off for the weekend, making sure you're not heading out empty. Easy to take out. One bolt right here, and it's a slip plate at the back. So as soon as you pull that bolt, unscrew it, it just comes out, go get it refilled, and away you go. Like all of our stuff, positive locking latches. Everything keeps everything nice and tight for you. Other side, now we've got 2 storage cabinets on this particular unit for this customer, but like I had mentioned, there's actually a spare tire mount, so you can run up to a 40-inch tire up here behind the headache rack, which is really nice because it keeps all your weight forward, of course, too. You don't have anything hanging off the back. For those of you that have bigger than a 35-inch tire, most trucks, you can still put a 35 under the back end. So we encourage you to leave it there. Keep your weight down. Go for storage up here if you need it or want the extra room. But anything 35 to 40, that's where you're going to stick it. Either side, you can order either option. Just want to point out a change we had made to our trays here recently. We used to have a big open window in here, which was good, but we have since actually added the molly in there, more for storage, safety purposes. When your truck's there, of course, nobody can get in there because you're right to the back window. But if you're storing stuff in there, there's a chance some smaller items might get loose and fall out in between the cab of the truck and, of course, the front of the headache rack. So we added the molly rack in so that you can contain your toys, maybe give it someplace to strap something to if you have to, and still see through it when you don't have a camper on. Now this one with the storage boxes, you wouldn't see through that either way, so not really going to be a win-win for you, but it is why we've done that in order to keep your stuff in there. with our products, there is a lot more information on our website, overlandx.com, overlandex.com. Also, follow us on Instagram. Quite often we are having new things come out, or ideas or things that we're working on that we'll start showing pictures on, so you'll know what's coming for the toys for models we have out, or maybe new stuff coming out, like our stripper model, which is coming out into production right now. So yeah, definitely follow us on social media. We will see lots of little reels coming out for us, explaining our products, showing you other things that you maybe haven't seen yet. So again, follow us on Instagram, follow us on YouTube, and check out our website.